Well, hello there, and welcome to Wrinkles and Sprinkles Beauty. Today we are going to go shopping, starting at Ross. Right here, one of the best finds I found is this Kate Somerville kit. Also, a nice little proactive tool, and some Coola sunblock. All of these items were more than half off. Now to TJ Maxx, where I found some Elizabeth and James perfume, which is one of my favorite brands, but I do not like this scent. I hope they get more in soon and more of the other scents. Also, found some nice Anastasia Beverly Hills products. That's a lip and cheek duo. This is a lip stain, one I happen to already have at home, and I guarantee you I paid more than $6.99 for. And a blush trio here, cocktail party, looks lovely. Then this is just some NARS lipstick and lip glosses, along with an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick I found, all of which were a little more than half off. Some good deals, not my colors though. Another NARS lipstick for $7.99. Here we have a Cover Fx Mascara. I have not tried this one before, but if you'd like to, it's at TJ Maxx. This was a great deal. $14.99 for the Kat Von D lipstick trio, quad. 4 of her most popular colors. Found some nice Real Techniques brushes. This one was beautiful. This kit I actually just ordered off of Amazon like 2 days before I went to TJ Maxx and paid, almost twice that. Some lovely perfume, Bite Upswing mascara, love that. Found some Stila products. This one was Kitten lip gloss, Kitten very popular. And then a trio of their super sparkly cream eyeshadows there. Still can find some Becca cosmetics here. This includes the under eye powder that's so popular and a illuminating primer. Some Morphe items, a really pretty pink highlighter here by Daisy Danger. The Avani Greg Cali bronzer. They also had another color in the Avani Greg bronzer. This one, I believe, was a lip duo. Ooh, and then the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collab. Gorgeous palette. They had a couple of MAC eyeshadows there. Also found the Nikita Dragon eyeshadow with the eggs. Oh, it's so pretty. It was only $6.99. Ooh, and then y'all, if you do not have these BH Cosmetics travel palettes, go to TJ Maxx now and get them. I bought this one, the Puerto Rico, absolutely gorgeous. I did not have that one yet. Look at those colors. And I can tell you from experience, the quality is amazing. Oh, this Lost in Los Angeles, this is what everyone is saying is the dupe for the Natasha Denona Pastels palette. I have this. I love it. It's one of my favorite palettes. Then I also saw this one from BH Cosmetics called Cold as Ice. Very pretty blue shades. They still have some of these left over. Not my thing. This BH Cosmetics palette looks so pretty. Only $12.99. There's like 30 shades in there, and they're all very opalescent, shiny, and gemstone colors. Very pretty. There we have a Pure Cosmetics item, and Uoma Beauty, the double take. I believe this was a lip gloss. Looked beautiful. Some I Heart Revolution stuff. Not one of the best brands, but I love the color story there with that palette. Very pretty. Curses and Hexes. $5.99. Not bad. And this one was really cute as well. It's like more of orange yellows, maybe with some brick red type colors. Gorgeous though, and I like the little bones etched into the into the eyeshadows themselves. It was only $4.99. That's not bad. This is probably horrible quality, but how cute is that palette? It's got the raised, like, rubbery feel on the top of the palette, and it's got all these different little pooches. So cute. This I just put here because it's a brown mascara, and I constantly hear people asking for brown mascara. They had some at TJ Maxx. Ooh, this is the Misha BB Cream. Love this stuff. So good. I usually order mine off of Amazon, but they've got some at TJ Maxx right now. And this is the Maddie Ziegler palette, I believe is how you say her last name. And it is also very beautiful. Here's me trying to focus. How's that? Can you see it? No, you cannot, because my camera did not want to work with me, or my phone. I was recording on my phone. $16.99 though. Then this is a Maddie Ziegler Lip and Cheek Duo. Also looked very pretty. Getting into some skincare now. They have some of the L'Oreal Revitalift items for like $10 or less. And I know that L'Oreal is a drugstore item, but these Revitalift face creams and stuff can be pretty expensive. This, no name brand, nothing. It smelled like heaven, and I bought it. It's a body wash. Oh my gosh, that coffee smell, so good. I kept putting it back, like, I'm not gonna get that, I'm not gonna get that. And then I'd go grab it. And a nice Body Shop Shea Body Butter for $7.99. Innisfree, pretty popular brand, getting their come up right now, $9.99. And my TJ Maxx has so much Clinique items. Every time I go there, they have like almost half a shelf of Clinique. They got the toner, and it's always the skincare products, never the makeup. But the toner there is $19.99. They have the yellow lotion that is so popular. Right there, $19.99. I actually really like the yellow lotion. And then Blue Lizard, it is sunblock, but it is a very expensive sunblock out of Australia. They have quite a few Blue Lizard items. The Kids is always a good idea if you have sensitive skin. Just get the Kids because it doesn't have harsh chemicals in it. $7.99 for anything Blue Lizard's amazing. I just put this on here because it's Biotin. Biotin is the one and only item you need to put on your lashes to make them grow. And that was really cheap. $19.99 here for some Shiseido skincare. Oh, and then they have quite a few First Aid Beauty items right now. Eye cream, face gels, some, I'm going to pronounce this wrong, Boschia items. You can get those at Sephora, or you can get them at TJ Maxx if you're smart. So many nice skincare items, and I apologize that it's all crooked. Still learning how to film these things on my phone. $19.99 for the Pericone MD classic skincare items. So these are not the ones that I use with the spermidine, aka sperm, but this is their original formula without the spermidine. And I mean, I paid like $80 for my stuff. So this is an outstanding deal. And I'm wondering if it's here because they're going to all spermidine, the sperm line. And if so, that's fine, because those are good items as well. And you might not want to put the spermidine on your face. So yeah, $20. This one was $40. This is the Dr. Jart BB Cream. I love that. All from Kopari, which is an awesome brand. Some lotions, some scrubs, body butters, good stuff, all almost half off. The Milk Cleanser, amazing. I use this, it's in my shower right now. Strivectin, also kind of newish skincare brand for, aging and stuff like that. Dark spots. They had a whole shelf of Strivectin, and it was all almost half off, probably like 45% off. That's not bad. Ooh, and then they had some perfume gift sets. They had a lot of Calvin Klein gift sets at my TJ Maxx when I went yesterday. So if you are a fan of old school Calvin Klein, get down there, honeys. $30 for these really nice gift sets with multiple items. Then I had no idea you could find static nails at TJ Maxx, but I did, and they were $10. Then this brand, Tip Beauty, I've never heard of it, but very similar to the static nails look. Half the price though, half the price, and prettier color options. Just saying, $4.99, amazing. These are silly, but I thought they were so cute. And so that is the end of my Ross and TJ Maxx shopping trip. Didn't buy too much, trying to save some money for some upcoming beauty items, but thanks for shopping with me. Be sure to subscribe.